Lesson 1, first activity, diffusion. Diffusion in the sense movement of molecules which moves from high concentration to low concentration is referred as diffusion. Activity aim to prove that how fast the diffusion will be takes place in liquids. Materials required: round bottomed flask, blue or red ink, dropper, potassium permanganate, and also copper sulfate solution. Next procedure, let us consider a round bottomed flask. Now add 2/3 portion of water in it. With the help of dropper, add 2 or 3 drops of potassium permanganate solution. So after adding these 2 or 3 drops of potassium permanganate, now try to shake the entire test tube. What happens? After few seconds of time interval, the color of the water will be turns into pink color due to because the nature of potassium permanganate is pink. That's the reason its color changes into pink. Similarly, now replace the entire solution with the help of copper sulfate. Instead of potassium permanganate, now we are taking copper sulfate. So after adding this copper sulfate solution, the color of the water will be turns into blue or violet color. So its nature is violet. So that's the reason it turns into violet. Formula for potassium permanganate is KmNO4, whereas the copper sulfate formula is CuSO4. So Latin name of potassium is Kalium, denoted with the symbol K. Latin name of copper is Cuprum, denoted with the symbol Cu. Always the Latin names, element names, we must represent with first letter capital letter, second one is small letter. That means capital letters ni ఏమంటాం అప్పర్ కేస్ లెటర్స్ అంటాం, స్మాల్ లెటర్స్ని లోవర్ కేస్ లెటర్స్తో ఇండికేట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ అబ్జర్వేషన్. what going to be observed from the above activity? If I add the potassium permanganate solution, ultimately it turns into pink color. If we add copper sulfate, it turns into violet color. That is observation. Result. From this activity, we conclude that liquids also diffuse into each other like in gases. Here also diffusion also will be takes place in liquids. Yes or not? After adding the solution, the color is going to be diffused. Diffuse means completely it is spreaded into the water. Just like gases, liquids also diffuses. So similar questions I am going to be asked. What do you observe after adding the drop of ink or potassium permanganate? It turns into pink color, and also this water will be diffuses completely in water and it forms a homogeneous mixture. How much time does it take color of ink to spread evenly throughout the water? Few seconds of time. What do you conclude from this activity? From this activity we conclude that liquids also diffuse into each other like